Hi guys, so today we will be covering, just give me a second, So our agenda for the session 1 in the Excel series would be this. I would be covering all these topics today, right? So first, let's talk about the functions that I would be covering and their significance in 10 seconds, and then I will jump on individual functions step by step, right? So Autosum I will cover first. So with this formula we can add whole table in a single go. So there's a formula to it that I will be applying, and I will show you how it will be done, and in a one go whole table sum will come with that formula, right? Second is left function. So let's say there's a text called uh, Ram Lakhan, right? And we need to extract some letters from Ram Lakhan, or maybe any text from left. So we use this function in that case. Similarly, if we want to extract from right anything, it will extract from right with this formula, right? And proper function is used, like, for example, there are some letters. For example, there is a name called Shahnaz Hussain, right? And let's say in Shahnaz, first letter, which is S here, is small, but in general, as per grammatical sense, it should be capital. So when we apply this formula, it automatically adjusts the lower and upper case of the text in a presentable format, right? Next function that we'll be covering today is remove duplicates. So I will show you how we do that in last, right? So let's start with the autosum function. So this is the data we have on which we will be applying this function. So what you're gonna do here, first of all, let's select the table in which we need to add the formula, and then press alt is equal to, right? So this is a key. Otherwise we can do from here as well, autosum, right? From here we also can do autosum with these keys, right? Here is a uh, drop down, so we can do sum from here as well. So alt plus C. So here also it is showing alt plus C shortcut key, you see. So alt plus is equal to, so I have applied that only, and we are good to go with our results, right? So next comes let function. So here I've already done it just for your reference, but I will be doing in front of you only. So let's say this is a this is our data, and we want to extract left four digits from left from this table, right? So what we're going to do, I will press left, bracket open, select this column from where we want the data to be extracted, and then how many letters from the left we want to extract. Let's say 4. So I will close this bracket and press enter. It will extract. Similarly, if you want 5, 6, 7, 8, you can do as per your convenience, and then you are good to go with the results, right? So when you drag, for dragging, there is a shortcut here. When you go to the right side corner at the bottom of your uh, this cell, there is a this plus sign comes, right? And you need to double click here, and it will automatically drag the formula to the ultimate lower uh, cell of the row, till the data is here already, right? In this case, it's a 8th row, so it dragged up to 8 cell, right? So yeah, and here we are done with the left function. Let's start with the right function here. So I will show you myself. For example, similarly, the way we have done with the left formula, we will be doing a right formula as well to extract the letters from the right. For example, let's say here also I want to extract 4 letters from the right, so it will extract here, right? And we will drag from here, double clicking. We will once this appears plus sign, we will double click here and it will drag automatically to the remaining cells, right? So yeah, we are done now with the Autosum function, left function and right function. Now we are proceeding with the proper function. Now in this case, I will be showing you first how to apply proper function and how to merge left function or right function with the proper function, right? And yeah, so this is a bonus giveaway from my side. So this is a already formula that I have applied, but I will show you here. For example, let's say I want to apply proper function, right, to line the small lower and upper case of this text, right? And I will close the bracket. As you can see, this is automatically applied, right? Now in here, so I will drag for now, right, to show you if the formula is working fine or not. As we can say, it is, as we can see here, it is working fine, no issues with this function. Now I will show you how to combine both formulas. For example, I want left I want left four fun four letters to be extracted in a proper format, right? With proper function added, right? Text should be aligned in a proper format, like small lowercase and uppercase should be aligned properly. And with that, I want to extract these four letters, right? So what I'm gonna do, I will write proper because I want 4 letters in a with proper formula applied to it, right? So first of all, proper formula will be written because under this only subcategory of left function will be applied, right? So I will start off with the proper function and then I will start off with left function here, right? Bracket open again because this is a proper function bracket. Under this, left function will continue. So I will open another bracket here for left function and I will choose a text from which I want to extract the letters. Let's say I want to extract here 3 letters, right? I will close the bracket for this one and then the left function. For left function I will close the bracket and then again for proper function I will close the bracket. So here we are go, right? So as you can see, we are good to go with the functions with both functionality applicable to it, proper and left as well, right? So I've shown you here this thing, but I've already applied here. Here I have taken 8 letters, so it has taken 8 letters automatically in there in that thing. So yeah, we are good to go now. So I will delete these things, and for your reference, I will be attaching this file, right, for your reference so that you can practice on your own. So yeah, now let's come at remove duplicates. How we can remove duplicates, right? Yeah. So let's say I want to remove duplicates from here, right? From this column. So what I will do as a shortcut key, We can remove from here as well. There's a function here as well to for remove duplicates here, right? We can do from here as well, but as a short key, because we need to search where it is remove duplicates and all the functions. The shortcut key we can do Alt A AM and then select the column from which on which we want to apply this functionality, and then press OK, and it will remove all the duplicate values and will remain only, and here it will be left only with unique values, right? So yeah, that's all for today. I will be attaching this file for all of your reference to practice on it, and let me know in the comment box if you have any questions. I will be happy to answer anything related to these 5 formulas and the additional things that I have told you in each and every function, right? So yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much.